Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I will create incredible, fantastic, amazing, super tasty burger, of course. But first, as usual, I would like to present all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious stuff. This beautiful patty is landing on the hot frying pan. Bun looks fantastic now. Let's make this burger. Amigos, extremely delicious burger is landing on the table. Bon appetit! Bon appetit very much. I got no choice. No choice. I got to go to the shop to buy more stuff to make more burgers like this. Crazy.